Instant Facelift Home Remedy. If you are like most women, or even some men who are concerned about sagging and aging skin but don't know what to do, we have some good news for you. In this video, we are going to share with you a very effective at-home facelift home remedy that you can prepare and apply that is as effective as what you will get from a dermatologist. Good news is you don't have to spend thousands of dollars for cosmetic surgery. First, we will share with you what you need. Second, we will show you why it works. And third, we will share with you how to prepare and apply it for a better result, including some tips that you must know. Sagging skin is a normal part of the aging process. However, it's easy to get insecure about your facial skin, especially when you're struggling to look as young as you feel. Nowadays, there are several cosmetic and dermatological treatments you can undergo, but those are generally very expensive. If you don't want to spend too much or you're not comfortable with in-clinic procedures, there is a proven effective instant facelift home remedy you can try all on your own at home. The best part is that it involves products you probably already have in your home, and it doesn't hurt. What you'll need: egg, lemon, a bowl, a whisk, a headband which is optional, and a cotton ball. Why it works. When used as a facial mask, egg whites are known to firm up the skin. It is filled with collagen and other proteins that nourish the skin and helps it instantly rejuvenate. And if applied correctly, it hardens and practically freezes your expression in place. An egg white mask also has other benefits to the skin, which further add to its effectiveness in giving you an instant facelift. Apart from being able to firm up the skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it is incredibly useful in tightening pores. This is because it has an astringent property that basically unclogs pores. What you'll do: keep hair away from your face by using a headband. If you have short hair, this might not be necessary. Cleanse your face with your regular facial wash and pat dry with a clean towel. Take the whites of one egg and put it in a bowl. Then take a quarter of a lemon and squeeze the juice onto the egg white. Whisk the egg white and lemon until the two are properly combined. Use the cotton ball to apply the mixture onto your face. Tip: when applying this mixture onto your face, make sure you do so using upward strokes. Also, try to keep a bright expression in your face to make it even more effective in giving you an instant facelift. The addition of lemon juice to the mask further improves its facelifting effect. This is because the acidity of lemons helps rejuvenate the skin. That effectively encourages the development of a new layer of skin that's more supple and youthful. Lemon juice further helps you look younger by clearing up blemishes and dark spots. This mask can either be washed off or peeled off. Many people prefer to wash it off because peeling could be uncomfortable. However, peeling off this egg white mask has the additional benefit of removing microhairs. That makes your face look whiter and brighter, consequently allowing you to look younger and more refreshed. This instant facelift home remedy is incredibly easy to do. Plus, there's a reason why egg white masks have become so popular these days. They're very effective and have plenty of benefits other than firming up the skin and making you look younger almost instantly. Do this once a week, and you won't have to worry about sagging and looking old again. Following are study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.